Message from Santa. Okay.
You're here, my dear friend. Welcome to my workshop. Look at you. I can't believe how much you've grown. I have something very special to show you. Come with me. This is where I keep a card on every single child in the world, including yours.
Are you going to be in there? Let's see. Let's watch. Oh,
This one.
there, Colorado.
Oh. Could this
There you are. Who's that? That's Aniston. That's right.
what I do with your card? First of all, I'll need this. To begin, I must insert it right here. Oh, I see that you're now 2 years old. Now, I have a very important question, my dear friend. Have you been good this year?
Have you been good?
Now, let's go see what my magic machine says. Bravo! The magic machine tells me that you were very good. I see that you've been very polite to your mom
Look.
and your dad. That's
Daddy.
now. Let's see what you'd like for Christmas.
Daddy.
What do you want for Christmas? Look.
Aha. So you'd like to receive a book? I'll see what I can do.
A book.
Okay, I'll put the order through. Now let's get to work, my little friend. Watch what happens next, my dear friend. This is my favorite part.
What is he doing?
Car.
Isn't that amazing?
It's an ornament.
A magical
Okay.
Christmas ornament in
Okay.
your favorite color.
Look what color. Look at it.
Your picture.
It's a picture of you in purple.
Magical Christmas ornament in my tree. And today, you get your very own magic Christmas ornament placed in the tree. But before hanging it, I'd like to give you a challenge for the upcoming year.
Look.
I would like you to learn how to go on the toilet. I know.
You like to go on the toilet. Go potty on the toilet.
And please, I beg you not to replace cookies with a healthy snack this year.
What does Santa say?
Ho, ho, ho.
Was that cool? He sent you a message. Say, thank you, Santa.
I do see that.